Go ahead and turn on the VRVP. You're gonna see, look what happens when XRP gets past $3. $3 is the crucial level that we need to get past in order for XRP to go to crucial to higher prices and skyrocket. If I turn on the VRVP here real quick, you'll see that this VRVP indicator is this green and red bar indicator to the right. You have a blue line here, which is the point of control. All this is showing is that the good majority of people that bought and sold XRP, the majority of them throughout almost all of 2025, especially during the summer here, they've bought XRP at that blue line at $3.01, okay? About $3 roughly, okay? And when we get up to that level, $3 is going to be tough to crack, but when it does crack for XRP, when we actually get above that $3 level here on XRP, then you're going to see XRP skyrocket, because there's no more resistance after that until you get to maybe 336. There might be a little bit of resistance over there, and then of course the 366 level that we saw back in July when we saw XRP at 366. But then after that, I mean, now we're gonna have to start using the fib extension levels here. And the fib extension levels are saying that, you know, the first stop after 366 is going to be 413. That's your 1272 fib extension level. Then you got the 1618 level above you at $4.74. And then for you Hopi and Moon Boys out there, there's a 2618 that says $6.50 XRP is a possibility here. And then we got 3618 saying $8.26 XRP is a possibility. And we never been that high for XRP. But, you know, going up to $8 right now, that's almost like a 300% gain, 200% gain, somewhere around there. I have to measure that out. That's almost like a 3. We know that's a 3x, but we just gotta figure out how high, how much of a percentage gain that is right now. So if I measure from 263, where we are right now, up to that $8.26 level, yeah, it's about a 212% gain for XRP if we get up to that level there, okay? About a 3x for most people who understand the multiples here, okay? And I'm just loving the fact that XRP is staying above its 200-day moving average right now. That red line here, that red line. Well, actually, I got two red lines here, but let me get rid of this one here so you guys can understand. This red line right here, that's your 200-day moving average, and XRP is holding above it. We were below it when we were doing this inverted head and shoulder pattern over the last couple of weeks. But now that we're above it, it shows that there is still hope out there for XRP to go at higher prices, okay? And as I start to zoom out, looking at that VRVP again, all right, we're towards the bottom of this value area on the VRVP. The value area low is right here at 237. That might be an area where you'll be lucky enough to get some XRP again at that price if you're able to do so, okay? But because we're near the bottom of the value area, we have a lot more upside in this value area. You know, I would expect, you know, $3 to be tough for us to get past, but once we get past it, then we'll see $4 XRP, okay? As we start cruising up higher towards the highs of the value area high, which is sitting at 338. And then, of course, you know, we'll see how we handle ourselves once we get past 338 and 360. Then it's going to be off to the races for XRP.